So what are we going to do today?
Yes.
What?
I don't know.
We are going to do paper tearing activity.
Yeah.
Okay, we are going to tear today.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
I like
Yeah.
rainbow.
You like rainbow?
Yes.
First we have to tear some papers for rainbow. How many colors does rainbow have? 7 colors.
Seven
But we
colors.
have only 3 colors right now.
Yeah, 3 colors. Not all the colors.
You have all the colors in your dress. What is this on your dress?
Ducky, ducky in my back.
Ducky, ducky?
Look. Look at my corner.
Oh, this ducky.
Yes.
Hold this please. Thank you.
We need to put it down.
Which color is this in your hand? This one?
Orange.
This is orange. This is
I don't know.
yellow.
Yellow.
And I'm giving you this color. Which one is this?
I don't know.
Eva, this is green.
Green.
Okay, now tell me how many colors you have.
Green. Purple.
Green, yellow,
Yellow.
orange.
Orange.
Okay. Now tear it. You have to see. I'll show you. You have to do like this. Do. Yes, small pieces. Yes, make small pieces out of this. Yes. Tear this also like this. Tear it. Yes. That's it. Now let's go on yellow paper.
Okay.
Pick yellow.
Here.
Which color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow.
I've got this.
Wow. Small pieces. Because we are going to put it on.
This.
What is that?
A rainbow.
A rainbow. Yes. Today we are going to make a rainbow.
Today I'm going to see.
Okay. Let's keep yellow here.
Hello.
And now tear green. Yes, tear it. Which color is this?
Green. Wait, I can get. Hey. No.
Okay. Keep it here. Green here. Small pieces. Yes, like this. Small pieces. Yes. This is too big. Wait. How you are tearing it? You have to tear it like this. Now tear it in small pieces. Yes. Very good. And what is this?
I don't know.
Tell me what is this. Hold it and tell me.
I don't know.
This is cotton.
Cotton.
What is the color of cotton?
We going to put cotton.
We are going to make clouds with cotton.
Look around.
Yes, come. Now we have to make small pieces of cotton also. I'll tell you where to stick cotton, okay? First we are going to stick yellow color.
Where?
Where is yellow color?
I got it.
Yes, fix it here. Paste it here. Yeah, not here, not on the clouds. These are clouds. We are going to paste it here.
Here.
Yes, paste here. Full here. Take more pieces of yellow. Fill this. Yes. Paste it. Take big ones.
Big
This is
one.
too small. Yes, take this.
Good.
Yes, put it here. Put it here. We got this glue here. On this we are going to put green.
Where?
Here in this line. Where, Iviana? This. Yes. Please put yes. Very good. Keep it now. Take more papers. Put here in this circle. Yes. Take more.
You're teacher.
Please take more.
Mama, you're teacher.
Yes, I am teacher. Please take more.
Yeah, Mama.
Put it here. Here in this circle. Yeah. Which circle, Iviana? This is green line, beta. Yes. Put this also here. Yes.
Oi. Oi.
Take this here. Here, yes. Take this. This here, yes. Now we are going to put
More.
which color?
This color.
Which is that?
Yellow.
No, where is yellow? This is yellow. This is green and this is orange.
Orange.
Now hold it. Yes. Take this.
Yeah, please hold this. This. Yes. Hold one. Wait. Take. Yes. 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 One is left. Yes. Okay. We have done this paper tearing. Now we are going to put clouds also. Clouds also. Okay. Now, did you tear the cotton also? Yes. Yes. Okay. Wait. I'll tell you how to put cotton. Hold this. Put it here. Yes. Yes, I'm teacher. Okay. Hold this. Okay. Put it here. You want the biggest surprise? Yes, and one more. Here. Yes. Oh my God. Done. Okay, now one more cloud. Take. Hold it, please. Yes. Hold this, please. Now show everyone. What is this? A rainbow. We have made a rainbow. Yes, and we have made clouds also. Yes, Iviana? And what all colors are these? Tiger. Look. Look, everyone. Show them. See. We have made rainbow and clouds. Who know how to put the grapes?
You know how to make
Mama.
grapes? Mama knows how to make grapes. Okay, what is the color? Do you like grapes? What is your favorite fruit? Grapes. And grapes are green in color.
Owl.
Chalo, let's stick this. Hold this. Grapes are green in color, so we are going to put green paper on grapes.
I know
Yes.
how to.
In all the balls you have
I
to. Okay. Iviana will do. Let's see how nice Iviana is doing. Wow. She knows how to.
Wait.
It's okay. It's done.
Wait. No,
You please make.
this one. I like this.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
green. Very good. Yes.
And that's it.
Mhm. Very good.
Really. Oh.
Very good. Yes, it's done. It's done. You don't have to press it. Just put it and leave it. Make a small piece of. Take a small piece out of this. It's too big. Yes. Wait a minute. Yes. Now take. More small piece out of this. Yes, put that. Yeah, don't press it. It's fine. It's fine. Yes.
Hello, friend.
Put it here.
We don't need it.
Take more. This. Put it here. Put it here. One here. Small here.
Here, put.
Yes.
Look, please.
Show them.
I know.
It's nice. Good. Very good. Now it's time to say bye-bye. We'll come again with butterfly. We are going to make butterfly tomorrow. So today Iviana made one. What is this, Iviana?
I want to make butterfly also.
Okay, so today Iviana made this rainbow with clouds and grapes. So tomorrow we will come again and we will make, tomorrow we'll come again with paper crumbling activity, and Iviana will make butterfly and popcorn.
Give me.
Till then,
I want
bye bye. Let me say bye bye to them. I want to come in camera. Let me say bye bye to them. Wow, she got this. Isn't it nice? Yes. Try this at your home and please don't forget to tag us. Her name is Iviana Singh. Bye bye. Mwah. Take care. Stay safe. Bye bye. Again, she doesn't want to say bye bye. Don't trouble your mama. No, no.